Hello, my name is Jennifer Jacoby, and I'm a faculty member in the College of Education at Grand Canyon University. And the purpose of this video is to go over and provide guidance on how to complete your IEP performance template assignment. This is the assignment that you will complete when you are in your special education setting student teaching. Now, there are 3 sections that are a part of this assignment. This video will discuss section 1. There'll be a second video to discuss section 2 and a third video for you to consider watching to review section 3. Now, when you're completing this assignment, keep in mind that it is going to review the IEP document and process from start to finish. Now, I know you have already spent a lot of time in your coursework and your field experience leading up to this point, reviewing this process and document. And this is your chance to be a part of it and to lead in the process with them underneath the guidance of your mentor teacher. You will work with your mentor teacher to identify one student with whom you work with closely. Now, this student should also have an annual IEP that will be renewed during your student teaching placement. In this video, I'm going to discuss GCU assignment standards that you will need to uphold to ensure that you are on target with all of the indicators in the rubric. I'm also going to discuss general IEP best practices that you will want to uphold when writing any IEP document for your students in your student teaching experience and afterwards. Now, this first section of your template is section 1, contextual factors. This section 1 is an e-document. This e-document you will download onto your computer and complete with your mentor teacher. Now, in this e-document, it will ask you to identify factors related to your geographic location, your district, school, and classroom demographics, your classroom environment and setup, and also your individual student academic factors. Now, when you're collecting this data, you can use a variety of resources. You will want to ask your mentor teacher for information on the demographics of your school, district, and classroom. You can consult your school and district website, which often will publish this data. The National Center for Educational Statistics, nces.ed.gov, publishes this information. Along with your State Department of Education, will generally have information related to the questions that you are asked on this document. Let's take a look at student academic factors, which is part F of the contextual factors document. It will ask you to identify your students' academic performance along with if students have been identified with an IEP, if students have been identified as gifted, and you will be also asked to reflect on how this information is going to impact your lesson planning, your lesson delivery, the assessments that you deliver to your students. It will also ask you to provide references to support all of your ideas. You will want to make sure that you supply this information and also include references so that you are earning full points on this assignment. Now, after you have completed sections A through F, you will want to make sure that you e-sign and date the document. You'll download this document as a PDF to your computer, and then you will upload the document into the Halo portal by the timeline that's indicated on the Halo calendar. Now, if you have any questions about this process, you will want to reach out to your instructor and work with your mentor teacher throughout.